kwenu?
Yeah.
America kwenu?
Yeah.
Indoji nilo no wakwezonu.
Yeah.
What's going on, everybody? My name is ChukwunonsoCaptures. Ndebanye, anameke ludu. Apam ChukwunonsoCaptures, aka Mazi. Chakum, aka the Photo Cosmetic Surgeon, and this is another episode of the Igbo Name of the Day giveaway. And you already know why we do this. Come on, say it with me. We do this to keep our tongues fluent, keep the language alive, and help our brothers and sisters in the diaspora continue to understand their roots. We're gonna give them back the identity that was stolen from them, starting with their names. All right, so let's give Sabrina a round of applause. Okay, so thank you, Sabrina, for sending in your Igbo Name of the Day giveaway request. So I asked her to describe herself for me. One of the things that stuck out to me was that she said she loved her family. So I'm gonna give her the name, Uloma. Come on, say it with me. Uloma. Good. So you ready to translate that name together? All right, cool. So Ulo means home or house, and Oma means good, beautiful, positive, just something wanted, right? So you put those two together and what do you get? Uloma. Good house or great house, just something gives you feelings of just like a warm, friendly environment, since she said that she loves her family. So Oloma's names give them the power to be family oriented, very friendly, and sociable. Tag and share this video with all of the Olomas that you know. Thanks. So what do you think? Did I get the translation right? Is that a fitting name for her? Let me know what your thoughts are about it in the comment section below. So like this video, like I said, send me a comment, or share a comment that you have about it. Subscribe to this YouTube channel and make sure that you hit the bell button to get a notification anytime I post a new video, and share this with a friend. All right, thanks for watching this video and for your continued support of this channel. I really appreciate it. If you want to learn more about the Igbo culture, or just want an Igbo name yourself, don't worry, I'll gift you one if you don't have one. Hit my Instagram DM in the description box below, and I can also feature your name if you are Igbo on the next Igbo Name of the Day. And like I said, yeah, if you want to learn more about the culture, or you want your own Igbo name, let me know and I'll gift you one. So yeah, thanks. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. I sure had fun making it.